Okay, let's take a look at number 7 from 8A, which I think was a homework problem. So in this one, we're trying to do a 180-degree rotation around the center point 3, 2. And the point we're spinning around it is 7, 1. So let's see here. Since it's 180 degrees, you can use a shortcut. You do not need to like figure out what this angle is and then subtract it from 180 and then and then kind of do like the you know the radius times cosine theta and radius times sine theta. There's a shortcut for this because it's 180. um, since it's 180 degrees, this has to be a straight line or a straight segment. um, and so we know, since this is the radius and this is the radius, these two triangles are going to be the same here. So let's see. To get from 7, 1 to 3, 2, we're going backwards 4 and up 1. So we're just going to repeat that. Backwards 4 and up 1. So from 3, we went backwards 4. And from 2, we went up 1. So we ended up at negative 1, 3. So that's the answer to the first part of the problem. Second part says, what happens to the image point x, y? So for that one, x, y, let's pick kind of a point like here, let's say, x, y. And we'll go 180 degrees, so that means it'll be reflected down to here somewhere, if this circle kept going. So this would be the 180. And if we just kind of do that same sort of process, make a little slope triangle and then repeat it. This is the radius. This is the radius. Going down, we went from y to 2. So that difference is y minus 2. And then going backwards to the left here, it's x minus 3. So then we have to repeat that. And we're starting at the center point, going down y minus 2 and over x minus 3. So if we start at x equals 3 and then go this way, x minus 3, I'm going to the left, x minus 3. Right? I got to subtract that amount. And then it was kind of like when I subtracted 4, right? Now it's x minus 3. I was at y, and I'm dropping y minus 2. So I'm going down y minus 2. I'm dropping in this case. Before we were going up. That's why we added 1, but now we're subtracting. Oops, sorry. I was starting at 2, and I dropped y minus 2. That's right. Okay, so let's see. We end up at 3 minus x plus 3. So 6 minus x. Oops. And 2 plus 2 when I distribute. So 4 minus y. And if we wanted to check, well, we knew that the point, let's see, what was it? 7, 1 turned into negative 1, 3. So if we check here, what's 7, 1 turn into? If I plug in 7, 1 for x and y, so then it would be 6 minus 7 and 4 minus 1, and we get negative 1, 3, which is correct. That's what we got before. So that's a way of checking to see if our formula is on the right track, which it is. So one way you can write this is you say xy turns into the point 6 minus x, 4 minus y. That's one way of representing that spin of 180 degrees around that point.